Hey, what's going on, guys? It's me, Anh Phan again, and welcome back to this channel. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day. I'm happy to tell you that if you followed all of my videos in Bangla's Alphabets Striving series, then this is the last video in the series. Great! Congratulations! You did it! And this video will cover the rest of the vowels in Bangla. So, let's dive in. Number 1. Ri. Remember that this is Bangla and Ri is considered as a vowel here. So how do I pronounce the Ri? It actually can be related as the same pronunciation of Ri in the word resigned in English. To write this letter, make a hook, then connect it with a triangle with its head higher. Now, add a radical sign on the right and voila, you get it. Number 2. The letter A. A. This is one of the vowels that makes me remember quickly because of the way how to write it. It's actually the first part of the letter Inyo in last video. So get the hook drawn like an at here, okay? Move to the letter number 3, a sister of A, which is Oin. Oin. Oin makes me think about the word boy in English. However, Oin in Bangla has a bit of a curve when ending with E. Oin, boy. To make this letter, just get an A first, then draw a curve upward, create. Number 4 letter is O. O is pronounced like oops in English. This letter is easily written by drawing the curve that looks like a number 3 with a long tail. Well, the last vowel for today's video is O. The pronunciation of this letter is like in the word awkward or awkward. This letter is written by making a sisters to the O letter with its upward curve. Awesome, guys! I'm happy to tell you that you've completely been through all the letters in Bangla alphabets. And I hope with this method you can write all the Bangla alphabets right now. This is the end of the first series in Learn Bangla with AP. Please update the next series on this learning journey soon. In the next video, I'm going to cover on how to learn and successfully remember all Bangla alphabets tips and how can we get here. Therefore, stay tuned and don't forget to review and practice your Bangla alphabet writings until you master it, okay? Thank you so much for staying until here and learn Bangla with AP. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you find this helpful, please share it with others. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for new learning videos from Learn with AP. Thanks for watching and bye for now.